Okay, I'm real excited about this particular video because this is going to be about split testing and about split testing your broadcast. And it's definitely a feature that if you're not using, you want to take advantage of, because just an improvement in some advertising or an improvement in some of your copy in an email, just a few percentage points can make a big difference to your account. And so, because a couple of requirements that are on split testing or that you need to understand, and that is, first of all, you have to have at least 100 active subscribers. So right now, I'm on my marketing tools today list, and so I have the option of creating a split test because I have well over 100. But if I had less than 100 subscribers, you are not going to see this option. So if you log into Aweber and go to one of your lists and you're like, hey Mike, how come I don't have this as an option? It's because you don't have 100 subscribers in that list yet. But since I do have 100 subscribers, I have the option of creating a broadcast message or creating the split test. And so I'm going to go ahead and do a split test broadcast. And then here's where the other requirement comes up, is that I can split test up to 4 different emails. So that's pretty powerful. But the thing is that the total of all of these percentages that I put in here have to equal 100%. So I can put in 50 and 50 if I just want to test 2. I can put in 33, 33, and then 34% if I want to test 3 of them. And of course, if I want to test 4, I can put whatever percentages that you want. As long as, and these totals don't have to be equal, but as long as the totals altogether equal 100%. So in this case, I'm just going to do a 50-50 split test. I want to send 1 email to half of the list and 1 email to the other half. And so that's what I've done there. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create Split Test button. Now you're going to notice what's going to come up here is that it's actually going to create 2 separate emails, and it's going to show both of them there for me, and I'm going to have to edit them and go in and fix each one of them up separately. So notice here are the 2 emails that it has created. And also underneath view, it tells us that this is a split test for group 2. Here's a split test for group 1. And so now I need to go in and I need to completely edit this and make up my split test. Now, what do you want to split test? First of all, I'm going to suggest that if you're doing a split test, only test 1 variable. Maybe 1 advertisement, maybe 1 paragraph that's different. Something like that. If you change too much from one email to the next, you really are not going to get a good idea of what was it that changed to make the results better, or what was it that changed to make the results worse. So what you may want to do is you just may even want to test just the subject. You can make 1 subject for one of your emails, 1 subject for the other email. Type out the email and then just copy and paste it right into the other one. That way everything is identical except the subject area. So that might be a good thing that you want to test. Again, you may want to test perhaps some copy of an advertisement. Which gets clicked on more, a link at the top or a link at the bottom? You can test that in the body of the email. Either one. Once you have finished all of those editings, you go ahead and you queue it up, each one of the messages, and then from there you can check your different links of how things have been working out by using the link tab or the link hyperlink that I showed you in the previous message there, of seeing which one it is that did better. So there's a fantastic feature of Aweber, and one, again, you want to use. You want to put that tool in your marketing arsenal because it is very powerful, and it will help significantly increase your conversion rates, which will also then in turn significantly increase the amount of money that you can make.